Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn soil formation from SS. So, how is soil formed and what is soil? First of all, we will know definition of soil. How can you define soil? That is generally, commonly the part of the surface of the earth wherein the vegetation grows is known as a soil. Now, the upper surface of the earth where we can see trees, plants, shrubs, that is known as a vegetation. So that part of the earth is known as soil. Otherwise, another definition, the uppermost layer of the crust of the earth is called soil, in which it contains minerals and biotic elements. Biotic elements like living organisms, microorganisms, insects. So the uppermost crust of the earth where you can see the layer in which there is minerals as well as biotic elements like microorganism, insects, and that is suitable for the development of vegetation, that is for the development of a trees or plants. That layer of the earth is known as soil. So in simple words we can say that upper surface of the earth which is suitable for plants, it is known as soil. Now, how is soil formed? Soil is found due to denudation of rock. What is denudation? It is destruction. The big rocks beneath the surface of the earth, they get destroyed. They get starting breaking. They start breaking into fine particles. That rocks are break into fine particles. It is not a easy process. It is a very long process. It is a very continuous process where the big rocks, that is a main rock, parent rock, gets converted into fine particles, and that process is known as a denudation. It requires millions of years. So how rock can be converted into fine particles? So certain factors are there like biotic remnants, humidity, air, climate, time. These are the factors which are responsible for the destruction of rock. See how the rocks are broken, how the rocks start getting disintegrating. Disintegrating means breaking due to the many factors that we are going to learn, which are the factors responsible for the destruction of rock. See certain factors like parent rock, the rock that is a main rock beneath the surface of the earth. It is responsible for the soil formation because it gets converted, and according to its texture, its chemical property, whatever the minerals content are there, how much easily they mature, they all are the reasons for the formation of soil. Next, relief, whether the rocks are in the height, that is altitude, or lot of soil is being accumulated over there, then that is also another reason for the formation of soil. Flora, fauna, that is plants and animals and microorganisms. Because of this only we can say biotic elements present in the soil. Time, long period of time, time is a very important factor where the soil can be determined. Long time gives a thickness of the soil. And finally climate, because of high temperature, yeah, low temperature, because of rainfall, because of humus, that is a dead decay organism, they all convert the big rocks into fine particles, and then the soil is formed. See, for the formation of the soil, what is required? Main rock, that is a parent rock. Then climate is responsible. Topography, that is a altitude, height, or slope, or the how much the soil is accumulated over there. Organisms, that is a microorganisms, insects, earthworm. Time time because it requires millions of years for the formation of soil. See, so finally we can understand very lower part, that is a parent rock. First of all, this parent rock start getting weathering, that is disintegrating due to the climate, microorganism. When this parent rocks breaks into the pieces, then it results into the weathered rock material. Later on, still the process goes on. Then subsoil, it is with there is sand, silt and clay. And finally we can see the upper crust of the earth, that is a green one, that is known as a soil, main soil, top soil, where you can see humus. Humus means dead, decay organisms of plants and animals like insect and vegetation, that is a plant. So finally we can say upper crust of the earth, which is responsible for the development of vegetation, that is a trees. It is known as a soil. So this is a way how the soil is formed. Thank you.